Amazing. Peter Obi and the police people again. What could Mr. Peter Obi be telling them that made them stood emotional? Just look at the way they are looking at Mr. Peter Obi. This is awesome. This is what the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is supposed to be doing. Encouraging, appreciating the Nigeria police. But he is not doing it. It is Mr. Peter Obi that has taken over the job of the presidency or the president. The job of the president is to encourage, to support, to appreciate the Nigeria policemen and women and other forces. But have you seen that before? No. It is now Mr. Peter Obi appreciating and encouraging them. You heard what he told them. He told them that ordinarily he wouldn't have wanted to bring them out of their office, but there is need to support them. There is need to encourage them. There is need to appreciate them so that they can do more. Have you been to the Nigerian police station before? You need to visit one. If you have been there, you will notice that they don't even have common notebook to take statements. If you visit or if you have issue with the police, they will tell you to pay for a foolscap or to pay for a notebook that they will use to record maybe your statement or what is happening. Have you ever been to the Nigeria police station barracks? You need to visit one of the police barracks around you. Any part of this country, visit one. You are going to weep for the Nigeria policemen and women. Come and see where they are living. Come and see where a policeman is living with his family. You are going to miss it for these people. Have you seen policemen and women under those bridges? Come and see how tattered, how dirty. Come and see their boots. You are going to weep for the Nigerian police people. And we want them to come and secure us. How much is the salary of an average policeman on the highway today? How much do you think that they are paying them? How much? People that don't have police station, you want them to secure you. People that don't even have where they keep head, you want them to secure you. People that don't even have uniform, come and see how tattered and dirty they are. You want them to secure you. People that don't even have boots, ask an average policeman the last time he polished his shoes, his boots, before going to work, and listen to what they are going to tell you. Some of them don't feed properly in a day. And these are the people you want them to secure you in this country. No wonder. No wonder crime is increasing every day. No wonder. Sometimes I keep on asking myself, how do these people manage to fuel their vehicles? You know, sometimes we are going to be in our homes and something is happening. You will pick up your handset or your phone, dial the number of the police people to come and rescue you, that something is going on, and you wonder why they did not come. When last did you fuel their vehicle? And how do they get the fuel they use in fueling their vehicles? You can see the importance of this Mr. Peter Obi's visit. It is very important. If you know what our average policemen and women are passing through in this country every day, you will see that Mr. Peter Obi visiting them is very important. Very important. What do you think a policeman that they gave AK-47 that have never eaten for the past 2 days, what do you think he is going to do with the gun? You can see the beauty of Mr. Peter Obi visit to the police people. You can see why it is very important, because it is going to boost their morale. It is going to, it is going to comfort them. It is going to encourage them. It will make them to feel that, yes, somebody actually appreciate them. Okay, let me allow you guys to hear what Mr. Peter Obi is saying. At the end of the video, we'll come back and analyze what actually happened.
Not be able to commend you people or thank you people for what you're doing, but I can tell you, we are all very, very appreciative of what you're doing for the country. And I'm appreciative of what you did. Like I've come to talk to the family. We are one family. You know, families disagree. Families disagree. Like I've just told all of them, I disagree with my people, my wife, my children, and we sit down and decide. The reason why I came to this office today is to start that reconciliation, because party exists to help in the political process. Our quarreling does not affect the price of garri or affect the price of beans, anything which the people want us to fight for. So we should not put our energy in disagreeing with each other. People are losing. Millions of Nigerians don't know where the next meal will come from. Mothers are in hospital without knowing how to pay their bill. That's what concerns us. Not this about. And not bringing you people out from your office to come where there's party meeting. No, there's a better thing, because you're doing a great work for the country. It shouldn't be. We will take it up. That's why I came out today. So I thank you people. And I will also, you are the member. Are you?
Yes,
I'll see you. So please, sorry, I'm sure we'll make sure that we don't bring you out of this thing. We want to bring you out in something that is better, where we are talking about your welfare, the future of your children, the future of everybody. I always tell people it is important where we build schools, where your children, my children are in the same school. My mother's driver and me, the children of my mother's driver and me went to the same school. They were actually bright. And that's what we want to do. We want a better Nigeria, where people will be happy to live and live their life, especially the poor, feel their children can become anything.
That was Mr. Peter Obi. You guys heard him. You saw the way he was appreciating and encouraging the Nigeria policemen and women. This is what is lacking in those at the helm of affairs today. What they want is security. They don't care about the men and the women of the Nigeria police force at all. Just like the day Mr. Buhari was traveling to Sierra Leone to give a peace talk. On that day, 2 soldiers, 2 captains were murdered in Abuja. But it never stopped Mr. Buhari from traveling. Can such happen in the United States of America? No. If one US soldier or one US force goes down, the presidency stops whatsoever engagement he is going to have for that day in the United States of America. But that cannot be said of our own country. Just look at the way these policemen and women are looking. Very tattered. But because of Mr. Peter Obi's presence, they are now revamped. They are now happy. This was what we missed on February 25th, 2023. They stole our happiness. But thank God for Mr. Peter Obi. He is gradually returning back our happiness. Guys, I don't know what you think. I think this visit by Mr. Peter Obi is highly important this time. What do you think? I need you to drop a comment for me. Thank you.